Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen ID.Buzz style. This vehicle comes with a 77 kWh battery pushing out 204 PS. This ID.Buzz comes finished in a two-tone colour combination, candy white over energetic orange. Across the front of the vehicle, the ID.Buzz features the IQ Matrix LED headlamps. This ID.Buzz also comes with 360-degree cameras, the front camera being located just above the front number plate. The vehicle also features a set of front parking sensors. Down below, the vehicle sits on the 21-inch Bromberg bicolor alloy wheels in a black and silver colour. Towards the rear of the vehicle, there is an incorporated rear roof spoiler, as well as some LED rear lights with a dynamic turn signal. Just above the rear number plate, we'll find the rear view reversing camera, and the vehicle features a set of rear parking sensors as well. Another nice addition to the ID.Buzz is the retractable towbar with an electric release. Taking a look behind the tailgate and into the boot space of the vehicle, there is a spacious amount of storage area here. The vehicle also comes with a multi-flex board as well as two VW cargo boxes. The ID.Buzz features twin electric sliding side roll doors, behind which is the rear passenger area, where we'll find a 3-seater passenger bench in a split 2-to-1 configuration. Once the rear passenger bench has been folded down, the multi-flex board allows the boot space to be brought to the same height of the seats when they are folded flat. Up front in the driver's cab area, we have some more of the comfortable mule fabric cloth upholstery with some ID lettering on the two front seats, as well as having two armrests each. Plenty of leg space, and we also have some type USB-C charging ports in the doors for the passengers. In the centre of the dash, we'll find a 12-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. Just beneath this, we have some of the control buttons for the power sliding doors, as well as two drinks holders. In the middle, we'll find the buzz box, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather-trimmed white steering wheel with touch controls. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.